EPS Global Programming and Logistics is a favored service provider to OEMs and CEMs who run SMT lines across the globe. EPS has a unique global footprint. We are one of the world's largest independent chip programming houses, with state-of-the-art programming centers strategically located in all major electronic manufacturing hubs worldwide, which means you benefit from responsiveness and rapid delivery to your lines on time when you need it. Our services are local, while our presence is global. Our international technical and ops teams are comprised of highly skilled electrical engineers who complete rigorous training at our R&D facility.
I am the electronic tech in our fully automatic programming center in Manaus, which is in the Amazonia region in Brazil, and is a hub of electronics manufacturing in the country.
Hi, my name is Tony Lee, and I'm the operation manager for EPS China. For the past 5 years, EPS set up in China 15 years ago to support OEM and EMS companies. And over time, our focus has moved to the automotive industry, which is part of the overall EPS Global strategy.
Outsource your semiconductor programming to EPS Global and benefit from reduced costs, increased productivity, and an integrated supply chain. We speak your language, no matter where you're located. Talk to us today about how we can support your global IC programming needs.